What if I told you that right now, as you're watching this, someone is making money without lifting a finger? No boss, no clocking in, just money flowing in. Sounds like a dream, right? But for some, it's reality. And the difference between them and you? Just one decision. Most people spend their lives working for money, trading hours for dollars, waking up, going to work, coming home exhausted, only to do it all over again the next day. But the wealthy? They play by a different set of rules. They don't work for money. They make money work for them. And here's the thing, anyone can do it. The problem? Most people never start. Today, you're going to discover 3 powerful passive income ideas that could change your financial future if you take action before it's too late. But here's the catch. Most people will hear these ideas and do nothing. The question is, will you? Let's dive in. Imagine creating something once and getting paid for it forever. No warehouses, no inventory, no shipping hassles. Just pure, automated income. This is the magic of print on demand. You design a simple t-shirt, hoodie, or phone case, and upload it to a platform like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful. Someone buys it, the company prints, packs, and ships the product for you. And you get paid. It starts slow, just a few sales here and there, but then suddenly, boom! One of your designs goes viral. And before you know it, you're making money in your sleep. Here's the crazy part. You don't even need to be an artist. AI tools and freelance designers can create products for you. So, will you be one of the people who sees the opportunity or one of the people who ignores it? Next up, the ultimate money-making shortcut. No product, no shipping, no customer service. Just getting paid to talk about things you already love. It's called affiliate marketing, and it's how thousands of people make 6, even 7 figures a year without creating anything. Here's how it works. You recommend a product. Someone buys it through your link. You get a commission. That's it. No inventory. No risk. Just sharing things you'd recommend anyway. And the best part? You don't need a huge audience. You can start small, posting on Instagram, TikTok, or even just a simple blog. But there's one key secret. The richest affiliate marketers don't chase trends. They build trust. They provide value, and they let the money follow them. So, will you be the one making commissions or the one paying them? And then, there's the king of passive income, the one that has been quietly making millionaires for decades. Dividend investing. Unlike day trading or crypto gambling, dividend investing is slow, boring even, but it works. Here's the concept. You buy shares of strong, profitable companies. Every few months, they pay you a percentage of their profits just for owning the stock. And if you reinvest those dividends, your money grows even faster, compounding over time. This is where patience beats hustle, where your money starts working harder than you ever could. Every month, every year, whether you work or not. And the best part? Some of the wealthiest people in the world use this exact strategy to live completely off passive income. So, which side do you want to be on? Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Bitcoin. The biggest opportunities in history were always obvious in hindsight. But here's the truth. Opportunities don't wait, and neither does time. 5 years from now, do you want to look back and wish you had started? Or do you want to wake up richer than you ever imagined? Passive income isn't a dream. It's a choice. And right now, you're standing at a crossroads. You can keep waiting, keep watching, keep working for someone else. Or you can take that first step. One decision, one action, and one day you'll look back and realize that was the moment everything changed. If this opened your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe for more game-changing money tips, and drop a comment. Which passive income stream are you starting first?